So welcome back to the channel, guys. It is at the moment Storm Dennis going on, so we are in the garage and we're going to do a little job to the bike. It's going to be a short video, hopefully only take a few minutes, but it's another one just to show you what I'm doing with my bike, and also if you want to do it for yourself, help you hopefully do the same modification or similar modifications to the bike as well. I do also apologise, the fact is that this video has taken a while, and it's mostly because my laptop's now died and sadly I'm not making money, so we have to wait till we can save up for a new laptop to do some proper editing. So if this does make it to YouTube, just be aware I have probably edited this on my phone, and that's why we're going to keep it short, sharp and simple. So what we're going to do to the bike this week is put a new screen on it. I know that for a naked bike, a bit weird to put a screen on a naked bike, but this isn't for looks wise. This is going to be more a functional sort of modification, and it's probably not going to stay on there the whole time. So what we have got here is the Puig, however you want to pronounce it, fly screen. This is the new generation fly screen, and actually, to be honest, I did think it was going to come in more bits, so this is going to be an even quicker video than I originally thought. And we're going to get that on the bike, hopefully for when I'm doing either bigger journeys, which is going to be planned later on this year, or also just getting about and I can't be bothered with the wind all the time. We'll have this on and hopefully protect me a little bit. And so let's just jump to it and do the 5-minute job. Hopefully it's going to be a couple of screws, get on there so I can show you how it looks, and see if you like it, you can let me know. So we've just jumped to the bike and it's going to be mega simple. So what we're going to do is remove the 2 fork bolts here. These are 6mm bolts, and just know that whatever I do on this side I will be repeating on the exact same side, a complete mimic. You have to take out both bolts at the same time, but that shouldn't be an issue because the fork's still held on down there, so it's not going to affect your fork. So if we just remove these, a bit stiff because they'll probably be on there with a bit of Loctite. Try not. There we go. So they will be a bit stiff, and then you'll use the provided bolts in the pack with to replace them because they've got little spacer adapters on there as well. So we'll get these removed on both sides. Like that, mega easy. And we'll jump round the other side and do that. So what we're doing now is get the windscreen sort of on there, and that will just sit there by itself, and then we'll move back around the side and get the bolts on. So with the windscreen comes with everything you need, and so you get 2 bolts with it, and also 2 spacers. The spacers also just going to go on the inside bit here, and then the bolt's going to go through the whole lot and hold it all together. Put a little bit of thread lock on the bolt just to keep it from coming out afterwards. So if we just get the spacer in there, that just slots in nicely. And at the moment we're just going to finger tight the bolt and then get it in place. And once we are happy with position, we'll then come back and tighten up with the Allen key. But that is everything you need, comes with it, mega simple. Let's just get that finger tight. So I'm just evenly tightening up both sides with the bolts in my hands, and I'll double check, make sure the position of the screen itself. So that is them both finger. Then it's now tighten them up with the Allen key. So that is both sides evenly tightened up, and so let's have a look at it and see what we think. So this is the view from the rider's side, which I think is actually not too bad. It's just high enough, I think, where it might just knock the wind over the shoulders rather than necessarily having the wind come straight into the chest. I think it looks not too bad. I mean, if you really like tuck down, you can see through it, but I don't think I'll be doing that anytime soon. And also from the front as well. Again, it's not there to make the bike look any better. To me, it doesn't. I'm not as much of a fan of the look with the screen on it, but for these sort of months, you know, or from doing big journeys, I'll take it. Just a little bit extra wind protection, and we'll see how it goes on the roads. Right guys, it's been about a week since I put the screen on, and I have to say I have been massively impressed by it. Yes, well, I admit that the looks of it isn't necessarily my cup of tea, but I have seen obviously the fact that how easy it is to put the bolts on and off, that it's not really that much of an issue, and the functionality of it really outweighs that. So if I want to go without the screen on, it's dead easy, and if I want to fire the screen on and then do a bigger journey, then it's so easy. Talking about the functionality of it, I have to say it makes such a difference. So I've been using it throughout the town, I've used it in good weather, I've used it in bad weather, and I've been also on motorways as well, doing about that sort of 70 mile an hour or about 100 kilometers an hour sort of speeds, and it's brilliant. For such a small screen, it makes such a big difference. In the sort of chest and sort of torso sort of area, you can barely get any wind on there at all. You get a little bit of wind up on the shoulders, but it's quite diffused by the time it gets there, so it's not a bother, and it also doesn't push any wind up into the visor. I am being mega impressed with it for that reason. You can even tuck down a little bit if you really want to, but I do think if I'm going to do a big journey, I'm going to fire it on there just to take that wind pressure off, because all we know on a naked bike you're not got any protection from the wind, and something so simple and so easy to put on the bike makes a big difference. So definitely gets a big thumbs up from me, and it's been a good purchase. So I think that is it for this week, guys, and thank you for watching. If you want to watch another video, I'll put my last one down here somewhere. I'll put one recommended by YouTube over that way, and if you want to go check out the channel and possibly subscribe, then click the link down there. I will put a link in the description to the screen if you want to go check that out as well. And yeah, thanks again. I'll see you in the next one.